In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Word. To get started, open the Lucidchart diagram you want to place into your Word document. Make sure the correct diagram is already open inside the Lucidchart editor before you move on, since this will save time and help you avoid exporting the wrong file. Once you're in the editor, look toward the left side of the top menu bar and click the hamburger icon. From there, hover over Export and then choose the file type you want to use for your diagram. In most cases, PNG, JPEG, or SVG will work well. For this example, we're using PNG, which is a great option if you want a clear image that's easy to insert into Word. After selecting the format, Lucidchart will load an export preview page. This is where you can quickly review how the diagram will look before downloading it. On the right-hand panel, you'll see a few useful settings. You can change the file format if needed, adjust crop options, and choose the quality. There's also an option to include page fill, depending on how you want the background to appear. Take a moment to review these settings so the exported diagram looks the way you want inside your document. When everything looks good, click Download in the top right corner and wait for the file to finish downloading. Depending on your browser and settings, it will usually go to your default downloads folder unless you've chosen another save location. Next, open the Word document where you want to embed the Lucidchart diagram. Click in the exact area where you want the image to appear. This helps Word place it in the right spot from the beginning. Now go to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of Word. Click Pictures, then choose this device. Your computer's file browser will open. From there, locate the Lucidchart file you just downloaded, select it, and press Enter on your keyboard, or click Insert, depending on your system. Once inserted, you'll see the diagram appear in your Word file. At this point, you can click on the image and use the resize handles around the edges to make it larger or smaller. You can also drag it to reposition it so it fits neatly within your layout. If needed, take a second to adjust the placement so it looks clean and professional in the document. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Lucidchart diagram into Word by exporting it as an image and inserting it into your document.